Hi everyone, it's Melissa Hurt of Integrative Studio, and in this video I'm going to help you wake up a tired voice. I'm going to be recording all 6 phases of my Embodied Voice curriculum in the Postpartum Path of Yoga. This book, if you haven't grabbed it, it's available online, anywhere you can buy a book online, or ask your local bookstore to bring it in and shop local. I wrote an embodied voice practice in this book because when you're going through the postpartum time of life, or really any massive change in your role, and really it could be anything, we tend to overexert ourselves, and then our voice gets really tired, and we start to lose track of who we really are. So in this practice, I'm going to share a simple thing you can do every day to recapture the feeling of your voice. It's musical humming. So we're going to start just by relaxing the shoulders down. Find a little bobblehead feeling at the base of the skull. Soften the jaw and just find an easy exhale. And you want to find that ease, and you'll notice all this soft tissue in the back of the mouth space and the throat will soften. So let's feel that exhale again. And now begin to bring the lips together and just hum on an M. And you'll feel a buzziness on the lips. If you don't, then you want to feel what we've called the reverse megaphone in my other videos. So I'll link it to the end of this one if you haven't done it yet. But the reverse megaphone is that inner felt tool that brings the vocal vibrations forward. And already you can start to feel some vocal vibrations moving towards the lips. Now we want to awaken the voice, and we're really working to awaken the speaking voice as we inhabit this new role in life. And in this book, I'm talking about new motherhood, but really, if you're stepping into a new career, if you are caretaking anybody and stepping into that role where you're having to communicate in different ways, you might feel your voice is getting a little depleted. So let's all hum, but more musically now. And pick a song that you know. I'm going to hum Happy Birthday. And what I'm working to accomplish is that on those higher notes or on those lower notes, I'm still feeling that reverse megaphone lift to help harness and keep the tone moving forward. So as you were humming on your song, if you notice the tone retreat back, then you may have collapsed that soft tissue. So really feel that yawn space of the reverse megaphone. Let's do it on a different hummable consonant. Let's do it on the N. And if you felt that buzzy vibration where the tip of the tongue meets the upper gum ridge, you did it. And hopefully by now, after humming 2 or 3 of these renditions of the song, your voice is feeling a little bit more alive, and maybe you're feeling a little bit more energetic and connected. So let's do it one more time, different consonant. We're going to do it on the NG, as if you say the word sing. It's where the back of the tongue kind of curls up to meet the soft palate. And just with that musical humming, you can start to become aware of vocal vibrations. You can wake up your voice, revitalize a tired voice, and start to connect more deeply to your truest self, because this is your voice, not the voice of that role that you've stepped into. It's you. Now, we're going to take this into what I call phase 1, week 2 in the book, taking it a little bit further from musical humming to musical tapping. So this is where we're doing the tapped consonant sounds like b, 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 b. Very light, radiant, bubbly sound. B, 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 b. Ba, 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 ba. Let's do D. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. And then if we want to feel where we tap in the back of the mouth space, it's going to be a G. These are for voiced consonants. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. Ga, 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 ga. And there you have it. It's so simple. Musical humming and musical tapping to awaken and enliven your voice and keep your voice moving in a healthy, communicative way. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you catch all these voice videos that I'm going to be releasing that are from my book, The Postpartum Path of Yoga. You can also find on my channel all of the movement practices from the book. And again, please get the book to understand why we're doing these things. All the science is in there. Leave a comment below on what song you are humming to or tapping to. I want to know. And give this video a thumbs up. Let's keep it moving. Take care.